What's up, guys? 2019 is not off to the best start. I was really hoping to get this mystery flight out. I was super stoked for it. I just I want to apologize. I'm sorry that I could not make this happen at the time and the date that I wanted it to happen. I got robbed. So I got robbed at the gym. Today I woke up and I had a few things I had to do before the mystery flight, before the live stream. Had to hit the gym, I had to hit Target to grab an external hard drive, and I had to hit the bank because I want to grab cash for my trip. And so I did those things. I hit Target, and then Target's right next to Chase, and then I went to the gym. I have a lock. It's very skinny though, as you guys can see, and it doesn't matter if it's locked or not locked. You can just pull it out. So I don't know how they knew that, but I had the money in my wallet, in my locker, and I come back from the gym, and actually I didn't even notice till I got back here, open my wallet, and there's nothing in it. So that being said, mystery flight is not in the cards today. I apologize, guys, for real. I really wanted to make this happen, but it's all good, guys. Especially I mean, I know I'm the #1 person that knows you have to play the hand you're dealt in life. I have cystic fibrosis. That's all good. People have gluten intolerance, lactose intolerant. Some people are born colorblind. It's life. It just happens. So you have to play the hand you're dealt. I got robbed today, $700. Someone just went into my locker, stole my money. It's all good. That's life. You have to keep going with it. Please, guys, don't send me money. I'm not completely broke, but I cannot go on this trip and also live in LA. LA is very expensive to live in, so I have to delay this mystery flight a little bit. But yeah, don't send me money, guys. I always wondered because this stuff happens to people that have social media followings, and people just give them money, but I don't deserve that. I don't deserve money. This could have happened to you on your way to work. Just because you don't have followers online doesn't mean random people are gonna send you money. That's just not realistic. That's not life. That doesn't actually happen. I've had offers, from my friends, my family, to give me the money, but I'm no, this happens in life. You have to just play the hand you're dealt. I clearly can't go on the trip, which is fine. It's all good. I'll be okay. I've been on plenty of trips. I'll go on it in a little bit. I just have to wait some time. So I have to clearly work now because I have vacation this whole week and I wasn't gonna work, but now I have to work. But that's what you do when you lose money, If you guys make an investment in something that doesn't work out, yeah, you lost that money, so you gotta work. So I don't know. It's all good. Oh man. But yeah, I want to let you guys know that I can't do the mystery flight today. I really apologize. I know you guys were super stoked, and on the Instagram story that I did of the countdown, it's so sick because you can see how many people are setting their reminders to be reminded that I'm going live, at 5 p.m. Pacific time. So I appreciate that, guys. I'm not really stressed about the money or whatever. It's more the social media letting you guys down. Every time I see someone's oh, can't wait, or someone's saving the reminder that I'm going live to do the mystery flight, it's damn, I can't let these people down, My roommate Lex, actually, he makes music, and he had to delay his release of his song one day, and he was just stressing the whole day. He's oh man, I told everyone it's gonna be out Friday, I can't do it today. He was busting his ass literally for 48 hours straight trying to get the video out on Friday, but he couldn't do it. And just the social media stress that you guys don't see is we really don't want to let you guys down. Me, I'm doing better. Man, I literally am trying to rationalize in my head, can I still pull this trip off? I'm thinking, I'm budgeting. I wrote down all my finances. I'm all right, if I do this, can I still make that? But if I go on the trip, I know I'm gonna be stressing the whole time, and I don't want to be stressing financially and all this in the back of my head while I'm on the trip, because then it'll show in the vlogs too, and you guys don't want to see Molives be stressing out and stuff. So like I said, guys, I'm sorry. I'm just rambling now. I don't know what I'm doing this week. Maybe do you guys want to hang out? No? Okay, dope. Yeah. They're like, nah, I ain't trying to hang out with no broke ass. That's life, you know? If there's a lesson to be learned today, it is that shit happens and you have to play the hand you're dealt. I also have a podcast coming out tomorrow. It's the Purpose in the Youth podcast with my boy Bobby. Very, very dope stuff. It's a couple hours long. If you like podcasts, check it out. Links in the description. I mean, people don't know why we're here, man. Like, people might act like they know what we're doing here. I don't know how I got on this freaking earth, bro. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing here. Like, I'm just a little speck, like just everybody else. I don't know what I'm doing here. Yeah. But what I've learned in this life is that, you know, like, stuff happens and it's how you react to it. You know, I was born with cystic fibrosis, so it's like, you know, I'm going to play the hand I'm dealt and, like, try to inspire some other people to be like, hey, man, you know, like, everyone's got something. I got this, you might got that, but, like, you know, you just got to play the hand you're dealt, and at the same time, it's like, have fun with it. You know, don't take yourself too seriously. Find out what you love and, like, go for it. But it's 2019. It's only day 8, you know? It's day 8 out of 365 days of the year, you know? We'll get to it. We'll get to it. On Molives TV, this is what we do. You know, still got to do the regular outro. You guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and don't get robbed, baby.
I know I've been away. I've been out far, yeah, I love it when you hate. Put me in my grave, no, I don't want to die today. What I need, get lit then I fall asleep. Things are on my mind, yeah, maybe suicide. Yeah, they're never on my side, yeah, I'd rather hang inside, yeah. You wanna give me your love, but it reaches